Greetings to JFL. My name is Tong and I come from MT2. Today, I would like to present my Mathematic Reasoning Continuous Assessment. Now, have a look to our question.
A customer bought fewer than 20 items at a grocery store. Each item had a price in whole dollars, and each price was a prime number. The total bill was equal to the number of items multiplied by the average price. If the total bill was a whole number and less than 70, how many items did the customer buy?
After reading the question, we need to solve it and find the answer. To answer the mathematical problems, we have different methods, but today I would like to use the Polar problem-solving method to solve my non-routine question. Polar method have 4 main steps, and now I would like to present my step 1, understanding the problem. Now, have a look at the first sentence that the word I had bought, fewer than 20 items. Fewer than 20 means it is less than 20 and it cannot equal to the 20. And we use the variable n to represent the items that the customer bought, so we can write in the term in n less than 20. In the next sentence, each item had a price in whole dollar. In whole dollars means it is integer number and means it cannot be in the decimal point. And each price was a prime number. Prime number means is 2, 3, 5, 7, and so on. The words only can multiply it by itself and 1. And the next sentence, the total bill was equal to the number of items multiplied by the average price. The total bill means n times average price, and the average price, how to calculate the average price is the number, prime number plus prime number 2 and the item and divide by the n. And the last sentence, if the total bill was a whole number and less than 70, how many items did the customer buy? So the sum of the total bill is less than 70, and we need to find the n because the question asks us to find how many items. So we need to find n. Next, step 2, divide a plan. We must make a clear plan to test which value of n less than 20 can satisfy the given condition. In this question, we need to solve it under 2 cases. Case 1, repetition allowed, and case 2, distinct prime required. This is because the question does not specify whether repetition of phrases is allowed or not. For each question, we have to produce a short table or list for n to 1 until 19. We will mark whether each n is possible or impossible under the distinct primes assumption and show an explicit example for each possible n. And we will also provide the 3 viable answers for the repetition allowed case, which can apply to the all n.
Case 1, repetition allowed.
Now, if all the items in the same price, then you can see the table that I have shown in the slide. The first column is represent the number of items, second column is the prime price, and third column is the total bill, fourth column is the average price, and the last column is the condition satisfied. If the item n is 1, the prime price will become 2, the total bill is 2 also, and the average price is 2 divided by 2 equal to 1, and the condition is satisfied. And if the item n is 2, the prime price becomes 3 times 3, the total bill is 6, the average price is 6 divided by 3, and we will get the answer 3. And we can do the same things until number 5. The number is 5. And we look at number 6. The item when the item is number 6 is 6, and the prime price becomes 13. The total bill will more than 70. It becomes 78. So in here, it will not satisfy the condition as is less than 70. Although we will get the average price in the whole integer number, whole number 13, but it will not satisfy the n less than sum of the total bills less than 70. And so we can stop at here, and we will observe 1 until 5. Hence, based on this table, we will get the answer. The items that the customer buy is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
Case 2. Distinct primes required.
Distinct primes in the number cannot be same. And now we look at the table I showed in the slide. If n equal to 2, and we will use 2 and 3, the price of the item, and the sum is 5, and the average is 2.5. So it will not satisfy the condition because the average price is not in the whole number. And now let's look at the number 3. The n equal to 3. The price is 3 plus 5 plus 7 equal to 15, and the sum is 15, and the average price is 5. And if you satisfy the two conditions, it means the sum total bill is less than 70, and the average price is in the whole number. And if n equal to 4 and so on, although the sum of the total bills is less than 70, but the average price always is not satisfies the condition, always in the decimal point. Thus, based on this table, the item that the customer buy is 3. In case 1, the items that the customer buy are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And in case 2, the item that the customer buy is 3. Hence, we can find that the item that the customer buy is 3 items. We get the answer 3.
Step 4 check. Check the answer.
In the Polar problem solving method number 4, we have to check the answer again, although we get the answer in number 3, step 3. Okay, now let us check. We get answer 3, and we have to calculate again. 3 plus 5 plus 6 is the total bill is less than 70? Yes, it's less than 70 because the total bill is 15. And the average price 15 over 3, and we will get a 5, and it is the integer. Hence, n equal to 3 is our final answer. In conclusion, I choose the numbers and operation to solve this question. It is because the core of the puzzle is about the numbers, sum, divisibility, and the integer average condition. S over n is always in the real number. Those are classic numbers and operation topics like parity, modular arithmetic, constructing sums with required remainders. That's all from me. Thank you.